Can you really retire on $10 a month? The GDI Math Explained. Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your GDI girl. I am all about GDI, about it becoming your $10 retirement plan too. So the problem with traditional retirement is most people are trading time for money, which you're never going to get ahead that way. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. To retire conventionally, you usually need hundreds of thousands of dollars. Actually, I've heard it said now that even $1 million isn't enough to be able to retire. I mean, hello, talk about crushing for people. So the GDI solution is residual income. You don't need to set $300, $400, $500,000 aside to earn $1,000 of cash flow coming in every month, because you can do this with a $10 business called Global Domains International. Okay, so you aren't just buying a domain name, you're buying a leveraged network. Okay, there's low overhead cost because you only ever pay $10. And this free system right here that you're looking at is just that. It's free. It helps you build your downlines to build your monthly income. Okay? So the power of 5 is all you need to do is share this with 5 people, is have 5 people take a look at this and then copy you. Okay? You don't have to bring in thousands. And then just give them this free system. You need to find 5 people who want to build a $10 retirement plan, and then they find 5. The numbers explode to actually over $3,000 worth of monthly residual income. Now, that's not a guarantee. You can get into this and you get out of it what you put into it. You can come into GDI, and if you do nothing, that's what you're going to earn. You can't do it for a month and expect to be earning hundreds or thousands of dollars. This takes time to grow. You can put 30 to 40 years into a dead-end job, but you need to at least give your business that you're building wealth with at least 12 to 24 months to grow, for you to learn, for you to build, okay? And this GDI rotator advantage is you're not doing this alone. The internal rotator system here ensures that traffic, not your traffic, because your traffic goes to your link. If you send somebody your link, they're joining with you. But the GDI, the Smart Rotator, has traffic that they send to the Smart Rotator. You're on that. And then you'll also share in the signups there. So you're not working alone. It's just their traffic is distributed fairly. The bottom line is you spend $10 every day on things that you don't have, that, a snack, a cup of coffee, and it's gone in 10 minutes. Or you can invest that $10 into a digital asset that can pay you for years to come. Okay? Now, when you join my team with GDI, I also do something else. When you subscribe and like and comment on my videos. Let me say, when you comment on the videos, I need to know who you are. If you have a GDI Wealth Team as your name, I'm not going to know who that is. So you need to either put down in the comment section your name, okay? Or I'm not going to be able to. I'm very blessed that I have a good sizable downline. I'm not going to search for hours to try and find you, okay? So please make it clear to who you are. If you're on my downline and you're commenting and you've subscribed to my channel and you're liking my videos, it helps my channel, and then therefore I can help you, okay? Because when I move somebody below, like today, the person that is going to win is that's my drum roll of who's going to be the next person to get the new member. And the winner is Nikea. Now, Nikea is below Debbie, and Debbie likes and comments on my YouTube videos. She also does on my Facebook, on my TikTok. She does it on many different social media places that I send my videos to. So this not only helps me, but it also helps Nikea and it helps Debbie. So 4 people are being paid all at once with this move, okay? And that happens oftentimes. So, now I can only go down 5 levels because it's 5 levels in GDI. But again, it's like all you need is this system. Just take the system, be active in it, and this can be your $10 retirement plan. Do you have a plan for retirement? Does it include working 40 years at a dead-end job? Honey, I'm not being judgmental. I know. I understand. I've been there. Okay? So, and if you'd also, besides working GDI with this system as your $10 retirement plan, you join me on my team and you like and subscribe and comment below on my videos, like what you like about GDI, what you liked about the video, okay? And then make sure I can identify who you are. Alrighty, and the ones that consistently do that the most are the ones that I move people below, okay? So if I don't move anybody below you, it's because I haven't seen you commenting, Okay, so God bless, take care, and go GDI.